Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture. Myself Devananda Rao, working as Associate Professor in the Department of CSC, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today's topic is regular expressions examples. First example, design a regular expression for the language containing all the strings of any number of A's and B's. Here the given input alphabet is sigma is A, B. Two input symbols A or B. For this we need to construct regular expression. RE denotes regular expression, any number of A's and B's. So, any number of A's and B's means any combination, any length. The string length is anything, the position of A's and B's are anything, the length of the string is anything. So, that it is a combination of A's and B's. So, A plus B, it will give A or B, that is union. If you write A plus B star, it includes everything, that means whole star means cleanest star. Cleanest stars include epsilon also, epsilon. So, that epsilon, it includes A, it includes B, it includes AB, it includes BA, it includes AA, it includes BB. So, this regular expression will generate the language, that language contains strings of any length of any combination. The length may be 0, if the length is 0, no symbols, that is epsilon. Maybe 1 A, maybe length 2 AB, BA, AA, BB, or length 3, that is AAA, AAAB, and so on. So, the regular expression for the given question is A plus B whole star. Next, A plus B means A or B. A plus B whole star means combination with A and B, even a null string, Next, construct the regular expression for the language containing all the strings which are ending with 0, 0 over the set 0, 1, 0, 1. So, input alphabet is 0, 1. Any string end with 0, 0. So, the last two symbols must be 0, 0. Before that, anything. That is combination of, anything means combination of zeros and ones of any length, For this anything, the regular expression is 0 plus 1 star. This will give any string of zeros and ones followed by 0, 0. So, that the regular expression for the question is 0 plus 1 star followed by 0, 0. This is the answer for the question, that is regular expression. It will generate language, that is 0 plus 1 whole star 0, 0. It will generate the language that will contain strings ending with 0, 0. Next, write regular expression for the language containing all the strings which are starting with 1 and ending with 0 over the set 0, 1. Here the input alphabet is 0, 1. The string begin with 1, starting with 1 and ending with 0. Between first symbol, last symbol, anything. Anything means combination of zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. So, regular expression for this is string begin with 1 followed by anything, that is 0 plus 1 whole star followed by 0. First symbol is 1, last symbol is 0. In between 0, 1 and 0, we can have any combination of zeros and ones of any length. Next, describe in simple English the language represented by the following regular expression. A plus AB whole star. Here A plus AB whole star means this regular expression will generate strings beginning with starting with A and do not contain two consecutive B's. See, from this regular expression we can generate A. So, plus means A plus AB means either A or AB. So, we can generate A or we can generate AB. Whole star means repetition. 0 or any number of times repetition. So that one time repetition you can get A or AB. Two times repetition, so that we can take A first time, second time you can take A only. First time I will take A, second repetition I will take AB. First time I will take AB, second time also take AB. So AB, AB. So first time I will take A, second time I will take AB, third time I will take A. Next another string AB, A, ABA, AB, AB. So you can generate this type of strings, but any string, take consider all strings begin with A, starting with A, but no consecutive B's, see here, B and B there is a, in between B and B there is A, in between B and B there are two A's, like that. So we can describe in English the language represented by the following regular expression. RE is equals to A plus AB star, means the string will generate strings, the regular expression generates strings starting with A and no consecutive B's. So the answer is strings beginning with A but not having consecutive is consecutive. Next, fifth one. Write a regular expression to denote the language L over sigma star, where sigma is equals to ABC. Input alphabet is ABC, in which every string will be such that any number of A's is followed by any number of B's is followed by any number of C's. So for this regular expression is any number of A's is A star, that is it includes any number of means 0 number of times also, so that epsilon is there one number of times, A and so on. B star means epsilon, B and so on. C star means epsilon, C and so on. So regular expression for any number of A's, A star followed by is followed by any number of B's, B star is followed by any number of C's, so that C star. So this is the answer, A star, B star, C star. Write regular expression to denote the language L over sigma star, where sigma is equals to ABC, input alphabet is ABC, such that every string will have at least one A is followed by at least one B is followed by at least one C. At least one A. At least one A means A plus. That means at least one A means minimum length is 1. There is no epsilon. Minimum length is 1. That is A plus means A and so on. B plus means B and so on. C plus means C and so on. So that regular expression for this is A plus, B plus, C plus. Next, write regular expression to denote the language L which contains all the strings which begin or end with either 00 or 11. Here the regular expression contains two parts. The string begin with either 00 or 11, or the string end with either 00 or 11. See, the regular expression will have two parts, L1 plus L2. L1 is the string begin with either 00 or 11. So plus means union case, either 00 or 11. So the L1 is a language which will contain strings begin with 00 or 11. After that anything, that means 0 plus 1 whole star. Then L2, the strings end with either 00 or 11. End with either 00 or 11. Before that we can have any combination of zeros and ones. So L1 is representing strings begin with either 00 or 11. L2 means strings end with either 00 or 11. So that regular expression for this is L1 plus L2, that is 00 plus 11 0 plus 1 whole star or plus, that means begin with 0 0 or 1 1 or end with 0 0 or 1. So that plus 0 plus 1 star, that is 0 0 or 1 1. Next, write regular expression to denote the language L over sigma star where sigma is equal to AB such that third character from the right end of the string is always A. So the last right end from right end, third character from the right end is A. So first character, that is first character from the right end is anything, either A or B. Input alphabet is either A or B. So either A or B. Last but one character is either A or B. Third character from right hand must be A. Fourth character, fifth character and so on may be anything, A or B and so on. That means the regular expression for this is, for this A or B, this A plus B, regular expression. For this A plus B, this must be A, so that A. So after fourth symbol onwards, you can have anything of any length, any combination of A's and B, so that A plus B whole star. This is the regular expression. So third character from the right hand is A. Next, write regular expression to denote the language L which contains all the strings with at least 2 B's over the input alphabet sigma is equal to AB. Input alphabet is AB, at least 2 B's. So the string must contain at least 2 B's. That means minimum 2 B's must be there in any string. In the language, in the given language L, all the string must contain at least 2 B's, minimum 2 B's, maximum anything. So that for this regular expression is, and also 2 B's may be anywhere in the string, may be consecutive, may not be consecutive, may be beginning of the string or at the end of the string or the middle of the string, anywhere. So that minimum is 2 B's. A plus B whole star, it will generate any number of A's and B's, any combination of A's and B's. So B followed by B followed by any combination of A's and B's followed by B's followed by any combination of A and B. So minimum 2 B's are there in the given string. From A plus B whole star, you can get any combination of A's and B's, so that including epsilon. So if all these 3 regular expressions, sub expressions generate epsilon, minimum length is B. Write regular expression to denote the language L contains all the strings which consists of exactly 2 B's over the set sigma is equal to AB. Exactly 2 B's, not 3 B's, not 1 B. Exactly 2 B's, not more than 2 B's, not less than 2 B's. So that the regular expression is exactly 2 B's. But the position of B's may be anywhere in the string, beginning or ending. The input alphabet is AB. The string will contain A's and B's, but B's must be exactly 2. B's anywhere in the string. The position of B's anywhere in the string. So that I will write A star B, A star B, A star. So that we can get B's anywhere in the string, exactly 2 B's. Thank you.